Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start discussing new chapter. Chapter number 5, Microsoft Excel. So take out your book all of you and open page number 48. Let's begin.
Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet software. What do we mean by a spreadsheet software? It is a document in which data is arranged in rows and columns and can be manipulated and used in calculations. Microsoft Excel is an example of spreadsheet software. Microsoft Excel is one of the most used software applications of all time. Hundreds of lakhs of people around the world use Microsoft Excel. It is developed by Microsoft and it is mainly used to store and manage tabular data. What is the meaning of tabular data? It is the data which is structured into rows and columns. Now we will see two simple methods to open Microsoft Excel in computer. The first method is using the Start button. Click on the Start button. Here write Excel in this search text box. Then you will find an Excel software here. Click on it to open it. Now we will see the second method to open Excel in computer, and that is using Run dialog box. So at first we will click Window key and R key together to open Run dialog box. Here we will write Excel in this text box. After writing Excel, we will press enter. So these are the two methods for opening Excel in computer. First using Start button and second using Run dialog box. You can use any one of these methods whichever you like to open Excel. Whenever we open Excel, this Start screen appears in front of us. This Start screen allows us to create new workbooks as well as to open recently closed workbooks. What do we mean by a workbook? A workbook is nothing but an Excel file which consists of one or more worksheets to organize data. So, we can create a new blank workbook by clicking on this blank workbook option on the screen. This window is also known as Excel interface. All of you see in your book, page number 50, a picture of this window is given there. Here, see in page number 50, this picture. This is Excel interface. Now we will discuss about the different parts of the Excel interface one by one. First of all, let's know about cell. This is a cell. This is also a cell. This is also a cell. Every rectangle in the worksheet is a cell. Cell is nothing but the intersection of row and column. Intersection means the point where row and column meets. We can select any cell of the worksheet by clicking on it. See, all of you follow page number 50 of your book. The different parts of the Excel interface are given there. See, I am explaining you these one by one. So just follow this page while watching the video. So next, what is active cell? The cell that we have selected, the selected cell is known as active cell. Next is column. The vertical bars in the worksheet are known as columns. Each column has a column name. See, these all are columns. Column A, column B, column C, column D, and so on. So next, what is active column? So simply, the column in which we have active cell is known as active column. So currently see, the active column is column I. Now what is row? Horizontal bars in the worksheet are known as rows. Each row has a row number. Like this is row number 1, this is row number 2, row number 3, row number 4, row number 5, and so on. And what is active row? It is a row in which we have active cell. So currently the active row is row number 8 and the active column is column number H. Next is fill handle. This small dot on the lower right corner of the active cell is known as fill handle. See here, this dot, this is known as fill handle. Next we will see what is address bar. This box in the left side of the window is known as address bar. Where it is written H8, this is the address bar. It shows the address of the active cell. The address of an active cell is nothing but combination of column name and row number. Currently the address bar is showing H8 because our active cell is in column H and row number 8. Okay, so today we have seen up to address bar up till here in page number 50. In the next class we will continue from file menu.
That's all for today, students. See you in the next class. Thank you.